हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम बात करेंगे सेल्फ स्टडी से जैम मैथमेटिक्स कैसे क्रैक करें, दैट रूटीन दैट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. So, are you also treating your jam mathematics preparation like a Netflix binge? So, congratulations, you just unlocked the rank of jam dropout. But wait, let me save your future and your blood pressure with a self-study routine that actually works, even if your math notebook currently doubles as your napkin. Now, the part one is the morning routine, the mind fresher formula. मॉर्निंग में ब्रेन फुल चार्ज में रहता है, सो डोंट वेस्ट इट स्क्रॉलिंग memes. 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. concept warm time. So, pick one topic, say the real analysis, watch one short concept video or revise class notes, solve 3 warm-up questions. Yes, 3. Quality is always greater than quantity. But ma'am, I'm not a morning person. Then congratulations. You are a jam aspirant with an identity crisis. Fix it. Number 2 is the afternoon test, the practice power hour. So, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. MCQ and NAT practice time. Solve mixed questions, set a timer of 30 minutes per mini test. Rotate topics every day, like algebra today, calculus tomorrow, like changing shampoo for the better results. When you solve a question, ask yourself, would IIT JAM really give something this easy, or is this a trap disguised as a 2-mark blessing? Now the part 3, the evening, the smart revision plan. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. the why so wrong hour. Go through questions you got wrong this week. Write down why you got this wrong. Silly mistake, concept not clear, or thought you were in a Sudoku exam. You will be surprised how often the correct answer is C. Now, you must be wondering, if I follow this routine, will I really crack the JAM exam? Yes, if you know what kind of question JAM actually asks. That's where our coaching center makes the real difference. We don't just teach the formulas. We train you to predict patterns, spot the trap questions, and handle surprises topics that self-study often misses. Our strategy is built from analyzing previous JAM papers, identifying the high-yield areas, and creating questions models that JAM loves to repeat. So, when the topper says, here is a twisted limit problem, you say, my coaching already made me solve this blindfolded. So, follow the routine, stop solving questions upside down at midnight, and join us if you want to study smart, not just hard. Because in JAM Mathematics, strategy is always greater than struggle.